Hi guys, Carlee here. Today we're filming another behind the scenes YouTube video, this time in studio. I'll be shooting with my Sony a7 III and my 35mm 1.8 lens. This is the setup we have for today. We're going for a more natural, organic look, so hope you enjoy. Okay, let's look down to that shoulder, and the eyelash is really low. Oh, look at how pretty this is. And let's put like one hand on your temple like this, and then maybe like one to your chin. If you need to like raise that knee a little so you get some height, it'll be like closer, so. Let's rest that one hand, this hand down. Perfect. Kind of tilt into that hand a little this way. I'm like doing the opposite of what I'm telling you to do. Let's do smiling. Perfect. Kind of like really hugging your knees, almost leaning. If you want to like, yeah, perfect. Lean on, so scoot back like kind of right where those pillows were. They won't really be in it, but it's the thought that counts, right? Let's put both hands like this. Yep. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Now let's do like one more on your temple and then one still on your chin. Yep, it's like leaning. Perfect. Let's maybe cross that into your elbow crease. Yep, but keep that one up. Eyelash is really low. And then look down to your side a little. Okay, now looking at me. Keep your face straight with me though. And look up to the window, yeah. Chin down just a little. Let's actually leave that hand laying down. Yep. Put it in your elbow crease on the other side. Now look to your left, down. And now look up, but stay, yep, perfect. Okay, and then just show a little bit of your knee and maybe like balance that foot on, or like put that foot close to the thing. The edge of the stool, and then just kind of tilt your head back. Nothing fancy. Okay, is there any way you could like put your feet like sitting like this on the stool? I know it's really tiny. so if you can't, it's fine. Or at least one would be good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just like show a little bit of your leg. And then are you able, if you rest that and then almost lean on your arm? Yeah, that's so, yeah, there's no room, is there? If you put it between your, yeah, perfect. Kind of bring that elbow back so almost your wrist is leaning on your knee, yeah. I love that. Perfect. Oh, that is so good. Let me get really close. Go this way. Perfect.
Oh, I love that.
Bring your far hand up to your neck. Yep. Perfect. Look down to that shoulder. Let's put your legs a little bit more this way. I feel like we're turning to, yeah. Okay, let's put the hat on. It's back to it, yeah. Perfect. Head back just a tad. Bring your chin to your shoulder a little bit more, yeah. Okay, now look out the window. Let's go for. Okay, let's bring this hand to your collarbone like this. Yep. And then look down to your shoulder. Totally head on is perfect. Okay, look up at me. Perfect. Let's do head on. So like your legs like this. Use like your knees as height. And let's do both. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oops, use my little crystal. And then eyelashes low, like just looking down this way. Pretty. Okay, let's show a little bit more of your knee. And then kind of lean, or maybe it was this way, yeah. Oh, so good. Let me get closer. Oh, this is so magical. Okay, let me get close. And then let's rest your hand again. I just want a really close shot. And then look down to your, yep, whatever direction that is. And then looking up at me. And then same thing, but look to the light there. Eyelashes a little bit lower. Now sit back and let's put one hand maybe on the armrest. And then what if you rest it on is it leaning too much? Try this side. Yeah, it looks more comfortable that way. And then let's do a little here. Oh, I love this. Perfect. Okay, I think we're pretty much done. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching.